I'm at a very spacious house in Rincón, Victoria. This house actually has an elevator, a lift, which takes you over the 4 floors. Marble stairs, marble throughout the lounge, dining room area. Kitchen here, which is large enough to have a table and chairs in it. Very spacious kitchen. It could do with a bit of modernising, but it's large and bright. So this is the actual level that you come into on the house, and the bedrooms are actually downstairs. So this is the living dining room area. There's obviously no furniture in here at the moment, or very little furniture, but it's a spacious room. This opens up onto one terrace. Every level has its own terrace. So this is the terrace. It's very sunny at the moment. It's the golf course at Añoreta. Beautiful space to spend the afternoon or the evening. Has a sunshade because that gets afternoon sun. You can go out either door. And these shutters obviously keep out the sun. So we'll do the top floor first. So up the stairs, which, as I said earlier, are marble. It's a very wide staircase. And on this level there is a dome ceiling in one of the bedrooms. So here, this has actually a dome. Make a great children's bedroom, or maybe even an office. Has a shower room on this level, with the toilets, and then out onto this roof terrace. Large and spacious roof terrace. Again, all day sun. Lovely sea view. Views over the golf course. And they have here a small plunge pool bath, which could do with replacing, but there is actually a sunshade which goes over the top. Now we'll do the downstairs. So I'm now on level -1, where the bedrooms are located. So each bedroom has built-in wardrobes, and this bedroom goes out onto the terrace, which I'll show you from the other side. This would be the master bedroom, which has the ensuite shower, sink with marble detailed work surface into the master bedroom. Built-in wardrobes, and this terrace goes out, which is shared with the other bedroom I just showed you. And here again has views of the golf course and a small glimpse of the sea. So we'll go back into the house and we'll go to the other end of the corridor. The storage here on the left, which is very important in houses. Lots of Spanish houses don't really have storage, but this house has got lots. So this is bedroom 3, and they've built out here an area for the washing machine, more storage, and this is a window for the bathroom, hot water tank. As you can see, they've covered this in. Again, fitted wardrobes. We'll go round, come back to that door in a minute. That's the elevator, the lift, and then this is the family bathroom, which has got a large walk-in shower, double sinks, toilets and a bidet, and that's the window where the washing machine is. So this is downstairs into the basement, which is a very nice surprise. It has, although it's a basement, it has very high ceilings, marble staircase. And this room is super special. So this is level -2. So this house has got so much potential. So this is currently a storage room, but also the mechanism for the elevator. There's the elevator here, so it's every level is accessible. Toilet, the sink. And this is a very large room. In this room, although it's the basement, it's got high ceilings, it's got cornice. You can see that, the detail on the cornice. Lovely built-in storage. And then another terrace. As I said, every single level has its own terrace. So this has got quite a big overhang, so it gets shade and obviously sun. And then views over the golf course. If you would like to know more about this property that's being listed with BluCee Real Estate, please contact us or see our website.